So is anybody ready to try any of these things out? Raise your hand. Yes? You're ready? What's your name? And do you have a startup here?
Yes.
Was there anything that you found the most useful out of this workshop?
Yes, there's few notes I could consider at applying to my own startup business.
So you're ready to start. You're ready to try some of these things for practice them.
A little bit, yes.
Yes. You are? Awesome. Okay. The reason why I asked you to do that is because because you're so brave, I have this little starter toolkit for you. Inside, you'll find a selfie stick. And I want you guys to all know these because these are amazing books. These two books right here are going to help you so much if you read them. They've helped me so much in preparing for media interviews. All right, so I want 2 other people to raise their hand and tell me who's ready for...
Try your luck.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
And what did you find the most useful in this workshop?
Really, the guidelines that you gave us during this workshop, I think very helpful, and to stand in front of the media in an easy way and relaxed mode.
Great, that was good. And thank you guys for bearing with me because as you can tell, I'm usually behind the camera. So it's been very hard for me to rehearse and practice this. So I know it's super hard. But I'm going to give you 2 books because you answered these questions for me. Here you go. Okay, lastly, if you guys want to send me what you just recorded with your partner, or if you have something else that you guys want to show me and you're like, hey, I need feedback for this, feel free to shoot me an email. And I can give you guys some of the feedback if you need it. So good luck on your journey, and hopefully some of the things I taught you was useful. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. But thank you so much for your time. Thank you, guys. We're done. Hopefully it wasn't too painful. Oh, I did it in I don't know.
It's amazing.
Because it was supposed to be an hour and a half.